If your home no longer feels peaceful, if tension, arguments, or silent pain have taken over your space, this du'a is for you. Stay till the end. You may smile outside, but inside your home, your heart feels tired. You want peace, but instead, there is stress. You want love, but instead, there is distance. Maybe it's between spouses, maybe between parents and children. Maybe your home feels heavy, even when no one is speaking. Allah sees you. And tonight, you are not alone. Allah speaks directly about peace in the home in the Qur'an. Surah Ar-Rum 30:21. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَنْ خَلَقَ لَكُم مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُمْ مَوَدَّةً وَرَحْمَةً. And among His signs is that He created for you spouses from among yourselves so that you may find tranquility in them, and He placed between you love and mercy. Allah describes the home as a place of sakina, deep calm, safety, and emotional rest. Not shouting, not fear, not walking on eggshells. Peace. And if that peace feels missing right now, it does not mean Allah has abandoned your home. It means your heart is being invited back to Him. Stay with me. This next prayer is powerful. Now, gently relax your shoulders, slow your breathing, and allow these words to wash over your heart. This dua is for your home. O Allah, You are As-Salam, the source of all peace. Send your peace into this home. O Allah, remove anger from these walls. Remove harsh words spoken in pain. Remove resentment that has stayed too long. Replace it with mercy. Replace it with understanding. Replace it with patience. O Allah, if this home has known arguments, replace them with calm conversations. If this home has known silence filled with pain, replace it with gentle words and warmth. If hearts inside this home feel distant, bring them closer than before. O Allah, soften the hearts of everyone who lives here. Make us slow to anger and quick to forgive. Heal what was broken by words spoken in frustration. Heal what was damaged by misunderstandings. Heal what time alone could not fix. If you are still listening, this dua is for you. Stay with me. Allah is listening right now. O Allah, place tranquility in our mornings and calm in our nights. Let our home be a place where angels feel welcome and shaitan feels unwelcome. Protect our children from fear, confusion, and harm. Fill their hearts with safety and confidence. Protect marriages from pride and ego. Replace blame with compassion. O Allah, teach us how to speak gently even when emotions are heavy. Teach us how to listen even when we disagree. Let our home be a place of dua, not despair. A place of mercy, not bitterness. If your heart feels lighter right now, don't leave yet. The next part is important. O Allah, forgive us for the moments we hurt those we love. Forgive us for raising our voices. Forgive us for shutting down emotionally. Forgive us for forgetting that our home is an amana. Renew love where it faded. Renew hope where it felt lost. Grant us homes that feel safe, even during hard times. Grant us homes where your name is remembered, even during stress. Stay till the end. This final prayer is for lasting peace. O Allah, make our homes a reflection of your mercy. Let peace enter through every door. Let love remain even after disagreements. Let our homes be places of healing, not hurt. We place our trust in you completely. May Allah guide and protect us. Ameen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful prayers.